Hello, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys doing wonderful today. And today's video, I just want to do this unboxing the Dior Prestige Cotton Pads. And this is essential accessory. It's a little bit a luxury product that you will have to use it in occasion if you would like to. Wow, look at the beautiful detail. It's a mirror star that say Dior. Perfect for a back charm, something like that. It's so pretty. Wow, look at that. Say Dior in there. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe because you can find unboxing, product review, home decor, and more. And I will be making a video pretty soon of a comparison of these cotton pads and the Chanel cotton pads. And this box is so pretty, so beautiful. Look at the detail, look at the packaging. It's really feel heavy. I don't know why, but it feels a little bit heavy. So we're gonna open it and see what the whole packaging inside look like. And then here I have the envelope. It comes with the return label and the receipt and things like that. And like I was saying, this is a very pretty kind, like a metal, heavy metal star with the Dior name right there. Like always, they offer you some samples. In this case, I had 2 samples, and it's a nice little pouch in gray, very good quality pouch. I love this because I can save my jewelry, storage my jewelry when I travel. And I have here 2 perfume samples. They very small, and one it will be, it's nothing else here. One is will be the Miss Dior Blossom, and the other one is the Savage from Dior. I grabbed this from my husband to see if he liked it, and I maybe give him the big pattern if he liked that one. So over here we have this beautiful, luxurious, goldy bags and sell Dior Prestige. It's very nice, very big. It feels a little bit heavy. And like you guys can see, we had a section of supposedly high quality cotton pads that offer exceptional comfort and a perfect affinity with the skin. The combination of these select fiber guarantees soft and gentle application in the surface and the face. So it feels a little bit thick, very thick. You can actually open it in half and kind of like have 2 parts. It feels very good quality, very soft. and you have the CD logo here from Christian Dior. Each set contains 100 cotton pads, and you can use it with the Dior Prestige Exceptional Cotton skincare product or with any other line. So it's 4 line of 25 each one, which made the 100, and they are pretty nice, pretty soft. I just had to definitely do a comparison with my Chanel cotton, which I love those, and you can see it's very well packed and it's nice. So thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, smile because you are beautiful, and have a wonderful day. Bye.